In a universe where light fades, a cryptic signal calls to our crew of misfits. What's waiting beyond the stars could change everything. Entering the storm-cursed realm feels like stepping into a nightmare. What lurks among the ruins will test their very souls. Voices from ages past plead for understanding. The vault holds secrets that could unveil the fate of all light. Will they heed the call? Betrayal lurks closer than they think. Is the universe truly ending, or is it being rewritten under their very eyes? Do you grab the last memory of light and reboot the cosmos, or let the stars fade away? This is the moment that defines reality. In this twilight, every choice pulses with consequence. Can they create a new dawn or doom to be mere guardians of darkness? What if the last memory of light is more than a reboot? What if it's a new beginning? Can you feel the weight of hope? Step into the light, let it embrace your essence. Could this be the rebirth of all they've lost? Are you ready for the unknown? Time fractures, revealing infinite paths. Threads of fate intertwine with every heartbeat. Which path will you choose? What haunts you in the silence? Embrace your fears and rise, or let the shadows consume you. The choice is yours. Together, they are stronger. Will unity forge a new reality, or will it spark the ultimate unraveling of their world? Will you stand with your crew or break away for personal gain? This moment defines not just a mission, but a legacy. What memories will you salvage? Every flicker of light is a story waiting to be told. Are you ready to carry it? Pressure mounts. The collapsing vault screams for release. Can you feel the urgency? Time is running out. In this moment, their past and future collide. Can your will to create a brighter tomorrow outshine the darkness? Every choice reverberates across galaxies. Feel the thrill of connection as new light begins to spread. It's breathtaking. What if this unity leads to a symphony of creation? Can you hear the cosmic chorus welcoming the dawn? Witness the transformation, a universe reborn from ashes. Are you ready for the stories that will unfold in this new age? With every flicker, the cosmos breathes anew. What legacy will you carve among the stars? Are you willing to walk this path? As the echoes of the past fade, new adventures await. Will you answer the call of the stars? The journey has just begun. In a